Hi loves, hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ladona Imari and I'm excited. Like seriously, I'm so excited. Like finally, I have my own ring light. I went ahead and purchased this baby. So it's a 12-inch ring light. I just want to unbox it and show you guys how it looks like and maybe do some setups. I don't know. But we'll see. But the main thing is I'm unboxing my own fucking ring light. It's so cute. Huh? Let's see how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. You see? I don't know if you can see. So let's go ahead and open it. So this is the ring light, guys. I'm so excited. And with it, there's a tripod. As you can see, the lighting is not so good, but hope you see it. It's very flexible, holding the camera. It also comes with a microphone. Wow. I'm so excited. It comes with a microphone. It comes with Wi-Fi something. We will know soon. And then it comes with this. I think this is what it's used to like attach it to the tripod. It also has an earphone. Comes with a lot of gifts. That's why. And guys, like I've been meaning to buy like a ring light for a long time, but the prices were just happier. And so just yesterday, my sister told me that there's an offer on ring lights. I went ahead and looked at it. There's this online shopping. It's called iMall. Yeah, I recommend it. Go on Facebook or anywhere online and just look for iMall. iMall like HI Mall. iMall online shopping. So I got this, like everything I'm showing you guys, I got it for only 2,000, and then I had to pay for transportation on G4S, which is 400 from Nairobi to Kisumu. So like this whole thing, like I only used 2,400 for it, and it comes with so many gifts. And then this is the phone holder. Oh, it has an extra phone holder, like for the tripod if you like vlogging and you just want to walk around with your phone. And now we have this to hold it, and you can also like tighten it so that it doesn't wiggle. So the tripod, I'm so excited. And also this one, there's this thingy, you can enlarge it and just, wow, this thing is good for the price. I think it is very reasonable. The price is reasonable, and this whole thing is just good. Like seriously, 2,400. Like it's 2,000. If you're around Nairobi, you can just go and purchase it from the shop. So this is the tripod, the stand, the big stand. You see? Let's open it. It also have a collector bag or a carrier bag for the stand, which is so good when you're traveling. Like you don't have to worry about adjust it down here. Like you just use this like this thing here. It's a knob. You can just turn it, both of them, for you to. Oh my god, this thing is like really, really long. It goes all the way. It's so long. Like this is so good. So we'll just bring it down so you guys can see how I touch it. There's this black thing here. Just remove it. So you take this one and then you attach it here. Now it's turning. Plug it here. I hope you guys can see and then it's like a remote thing. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any question or any question about how I got this thing or where I bought the mall, like the name and the number where you can request it from, how I got it and everything, I'll leave it in the link below, so you can just like contact the number and then they'll deliver it to you regardless of where you are. You're going to get your ring lights. And yeah, this is it. Actually, it's not so hard to install this thing or like just to set it up. Okay, thank you so much for watching. That's all I have for you guys, and see you on my next video.